How to fix meta verification not available for Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Hello Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if the meta verification is not available on your Facebook. Now, how to get it? You can simply open up your Facebook application. If you tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen here, and if you scroll down and head into settings, or you can simply head it to settings from the settings bar, and if you scroll down and head into meta here, you'll get the meta verified option and you can verify it from here. Right now, if you don't get this option, then what you can do is the other way is you can head back to your profile. On your profile, you'll get various options. If you tap on edit profile here and scroll down and tap on edit your about info, you'll be able to get the meta verified option right here as well. Now in my case, it's not showing up here, but you should get it here. Or if you tap on three dots option here on your profile, tap on three dots, and here you can see the verification option as well. If you tap on it, it'll take you to that particular meta verified page as well. Now this way you can fix it. The other way is, if you don't get it, you want to make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. You want to simply head into your Play Store and search in for Facebook and make sure you're updated and you have the latest version of Facebook. So this way you can fix meta verification not available for Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.